How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll show you how to fix the photo swipe option if it's not working on TikTok. So if you want to add multiple photos to your TikTok video, but the photo swipe feature isn't showing up, or working, watch until the end. So if I open the TikTok and create a new video, I can add photos that automatically swipe and change. There is also a photo mode where users can manually swipe up through the photos, or video mode where the photos change automatically. So if you don't have this feature, you can go to your profile and then go to three lines and tap on settings and privacy. Then scroll down and click on free up space. Tap on clear cache. Tap on clear again to confirm. You can also clear the downloads from here. So too many cache files or downloads can cause bugs or glitches or any other issues, so delete both. Next, exit the TikTok application and open the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. From the search bar in the top, simply type in TikTok application. If you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. This ensures that you have the newest features, including the photo swipe feature. And after updating, open TikTok and check if the problem is solved. If you still don't see the feature, open your device settings, then go to General if you're using iPhone, and then iPhone storage and search for the TikTok application. Go ahead and offload it and then reinstall it again. But in Android, simply search for apps, go to TikTok, go to its app info, scroll down and tap on storage and then click on clear cache. Come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. You can also try uninstalling it completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store according to the device that you're using. In most cases, the solutions will help you solve the problem, and you should see the photo swipe option. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.